Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2019 Ford Kuga 1.5 EcoBoost ST Line X Edition. This is the 150 brake horsepower model. This car's finished in frozen white. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, the grey grille, front fog lights, front parking sensors, which is part of the park assist pack. You've got the body coloured styling kit, black mirror covers with side repeaters, panoramic opening sunroof. You've got the satin black roof rails, rear privacy glass and rear spoiler, 19-inch grey alloy wheels, front and rear side alloy wheel, ST line wing badges. Inside the car you've got the charcoal grey Alcantara upholstery with the leather side panels and the red stitching. ST line threshold plates. Inside the car at the rear you've got room for 3 passengers, centre armrests with twin cup holders, ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat. There's a 12-volt plug-in point for accessories. Rear side rear alloy wheel, rear parking sensors, again part of the park assist pack. So inside the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat, .12-volt plug-in for accessories, and this car is equipped with the Space Saver spare wheel. Moving round now onto the driver's side of the car. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment. This has got the electric folding mirrors, automatic headlamps, centre armrest with internal storage box. Inside the storage box there's 2 USB plug-in points. So this car has done 48,675 miles. 12-volt plug-in for accessories, 6-speed gearbox. You've got the park assist control button there. You can turn off the parking sensors, stop start deactivation switch, and then you've got the dual climate control, 18-inch touchscreen media system. So in there you've got the home page, there's a CD player. On the audio side you've got the AM, FM and DAB radio stations, CD player, and you've also got the Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device. Full screen navigation system, controls on the steering wheel for the cruise control and speed limiter. On the other side you've got the controls for answering and rejecting calls. You've got voice control if your phone's compatible. Then you've got the opening glass panoramic sunroof. And just close that down, and you've also got the roof blind. to close it fully. Okay, back outside the car you've got the identification plate that tells it's the Ford Kuga ST line. It's the X edition though, is this. 1.5 EcoBoost, 150 PS engine. It's a Euro 6.2 engine and the two-wheel drive variant. Moving forward, you've got the driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. I look forward to your inquiry. Bye.